Hello. So this is window air conditioner and was installed in a room. We have taken it out and put in the laboratory on a wooden stool to understand its various functions of its components. So here is the control panel with different buttons. The front portion, its technical specification given at the front. As you can see, the model number, power supply, so the cooling capacity is given in British unit, which is can be seen. The refrigerant used is R22. The quantity of refrigerant charged once is 1.01 kilogram. The power consumption by the compressor is 1.85 kilowatt and the cooling or heating capacity is 1.5 kilowatt. So it means this is of 1.5 ton capacity refrigerant and it consumes about 8 ampere currents in its operation. Now we will look at its different components. One thing I would like to mention, this air conditioner is of heating as well as of cooling type, both. So we will explain function in both mode one by one. So the front of the air conditioner, initially we are assuming this as an cooling unit. So at the front, this portion is mounted in the room. So this will work as evaporator or cooling coil. It is a simple heat exchanger. The evaporator in cooling mode. The copper tubes of appropriate length bent into U shape and connected by means of leak proof welding, as can be seen. And then the side view. Double shaft fractional horsepower motor connected with a fan, condenser fan and blower fan at the other side for evaporator. And then at the back side, the condenser unit, as can be seen, various pipes, finned pipe, there is no difference between evaporator or condenser. Both are a type of heat exchanger and differentiated on the basis of their application. In second video of this series, we will explain about the refrigeration cycle by showing various components, internal components.